Welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video, and today we're going to be talking about Apple. Before we start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video below, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, join the family, guys. Let's go on our investing journey together. So today we're going to be talking about Apple, and before anybody freaks out and says, why is Apple $125? Apple recently did a stock split, and that's actually what we're going to be going over today. Should you pick up Apple because the stock split? Me personally, guys, I'm going to have to say you should probably pick up some Apple shares while they're still cheap. I know theoretically to some investors, when you put more shares on the market or when a company does a stock split, a lot of people either A, like to short the stock, or they feel like there's some sort of devaluation of the actual stock itself because there's more of it on the market. But I honestly don't think this is the case with Apple, and here's why. Apple keeps growing like crazy. Apple just recently hit a $2.1 trillion market cap. That's with a T. And that's absolutely huge, guys. The company is growing like crazy. And even taking a look at the 5-year chart, guys, I mean, the company has a 430% gain over the last 5 years. I mean, that's absolutely insane. 5 years ago, guys, the stock was trading at $29.88. Imagine putting $1,000 in Apple 5 years ago. You know, you would have a lot of money right there. And even taking a look at it, the 1-year chart, obviously it took a little bit of hit during the pandemic, but it just recovered so well. And it's just, Apple is a huge growth story, guys. It's currently expanding. It's always expanding. And it's probably one of the only companies that I know of that has a $2 trillion market cap. I know a lot of people are saying that Apple doesn't really have that much market expansion because a lot of its specialization is in phones and laptops and stuff like that. But you have to understand, guys, Apple has been nothing but a growth story. The stock continuously expands and it keeps growing and growing and growing. It's got a bunch of big time investors behind it, and it's also got a bunch of retail investors behind it. And the cool thing about the stock split, guys, is it makes the stock a lot more affordable for people who aren't as fortunate with money. You have to think, before the stock split, guys, Apple was trading at $500 a share, which is pretty expensive. Now it's only trading at $125 a share. And I think the company is going to continue growing, guys. I think Apple is headed in the right direction as far as investment wise. You have to understand, guys, maybe in 5 more years, the company's market cap could be $10 trillion, you know? And a lot of people love Apple. A lot of people love their products. They have good laptops. They have good iPads. They have good phones. And a lot of people love the iPhone, and they always drop the newest and latest technology on their iPhones. All the iPhones are beautiful, and people love Apple products in general. Apple stores are everywhere. And, you know, they also are expanding in different avenues as well. They also bought, you know, Dre Beats a couple years ago as well. So Apple's growth story is there. The company continues to grow like crazy, and I honestly have to rate Apple as a very strong buy. Obviously, everything I say on the channel, guys, is not financial advice. It's just my personal recommendation. But, you know, Apple is just continuously growing. Like I said, guys, even taking a look at the 5-year chart, this thing is nothing but a growth story, and I do recommend picking up some Apple shares because right now the stock is very cheap. You never know where the stock is actually headed. My personal opinion, I think the stock is actually just going to keep going up from here. But like I said before, I know a lot of people do get a little bit skeptical after stock splits. Not always, but sometimes people are saying, oh, putting more shares on the market puts some sort of devalue on the stock. But I don't think this is the case with Apple. I actually think Apple is an absolute must buy. But with that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video. Let me know down in the comment section below, guys. What do you guys think of Apple? Do you think you should buy Apple after the stock split? Do you plan on buying Apple on Monday when the market opens? Let me know down in the comment section below, guys. Thank you, guys. Have a good day.